So I've been out here for a few hours doing some no light, low light training, having a good old time. And it's like 10 o'clock, so 20 more rounds of suppressed 22 on the metal target. That way I don't make the neighbors really mad. All that talk I had a few minutes ago about how this thing is doing good, and now we got a feeding issue. Hold on. It's in there. It's fucked. It's fucked. Well, so much for making it in a short, because we're over a minute now. Here we go. Not bad. Minus that one little hiccup.